Hey, what's up, Omega X fam? Welcome back to our channel where we dive into the best tips for a healthier, happier you. Today, I'm giving you the lowdown on the best foods to clean out your arteries and keep your heart in top shape. These foods are not just delicious but also packed with nutrients that can make a significant difference in your cardiovascular health. Clogged arteries can lead to serious issues like heart attacks and strokes, but the right diet can make a world of difference. By incorporating these foods into your daily meals, you can help prevent these life-threatening conditions. First up, fatty fish like salmon, mackerel and sardines. These fish are not only tasty but also incredibly beneficial for your heart. These bad boys are packed with omega-3s, which reduce inflammation and balance your cholesterol. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential for maintaining a healthy heart and can even help improve your overall mood. Just 2 servings a week can lower your heart disease risk, so make sure to include them in your weekly meal plan. Nuts and seeds like almonds, walnuts, flax seeds and chia seeds are next. These tiny powerhouses are full of nutrients. Full of healthy fats, fiber and antioxidants, they fight plaque buildup. Including a variety of nuts and seeds in your diet can provide a range of health benefits. Walnuts especially are rock stars for your arteries. They contain a unique form of vitamin E that is particularly beneficial for heart health. Berries like blueberries, strawberries and raspberries are loaded with antioxidants that reduce oxidative stress and inflammation. These colourful fruits are not only delicious but also a great way to protect your heart. Snack on these regularly to keep your blood vessels happy. Garlic is a classic. Its benefits have been known for centuries. Its allicin content helps lower blood pressure and cholesterol. Adding garlic to your meals can enhance flavour and boost your heart health. Just 1 or 2 cloves a day can do wonders. It's an easy addition to your diet that can have significant benefits. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are nitrate-rich, helping relax blood vessels and boost circulation. These greens are versatile and can be added to a variety of dishes. Olive oil, especially extra virgin, is amazing too, packed with monounsaturated fats and antioxidants. It's a staple in the Mediterranean diet, known for its heart health benefits. Don't forget about avocados. They're full of healthy fats and can lower bad cholesterol while boosting the good kind. Avocados are delicious and can be used in a variety of recipes. Dark chocolate, when eaten in moderation, can improve blood flow and reduce blood pressure. It's a tasty treat that can also be good for your heart. Choose one with at least 70% cocoa. The higher the cocoa content, the more beneficial it is. Turmeric's curcumin fights inflammation and supports blood vessel health. This golden spice is a powerful addition to your diet. Green tea with its catechins lowers cholesterol and inflammation. It's a soothing beverage that offers numerous health benefits. Legumes like lentils and chickpeas are fiber-rich, helping regulate blood sugar and cholesterol. They're a great plant-based protein source. Citrus fruits are loaded with vitamin C and flavonoids, reducing inflammation. These fruits are refreshing and can be enjoyed in many ways. Finally, oats and whole grains are fantastic for reducing bad cholesterol. They provide sustained energy and are a great way to start your day. Focus on these foods, cut out processed stuff, and stay active. A balanced diet and regular exercise are key to maintaining a healthy heart. Thanks for watching Omega X. We hope you found these tips helpful. Like, share and subscribe for more health tips. Your support helps us bring you more valuable content. Stay healthy and take care. See you in the next video.